Chapter 9.2 The Converse of the Pythagorean Theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that if a triangle is a right triangle, then the sum of the squares of the legs equals the square of the hypotenuse. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, now we're looking to write the converse of it. So, given a triangle with legs a and b with hypotenuse c, if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then the triangle is a right triangle. Given a triangle with lengths 8, 12, and 15, determine if it is a right triangle. Well, when we're looking at this, we know 15 has to be our hypotenuse. It's the largest number. So, does 8 squared plus 12 squared equal 15 squared? Eight squared is 64. Plus 12 squared is 144. And this should equal 15 squared, which is 225. Well, 144 plus 64 is 208, which in fact does not equal 225. Therefore, this is not a right triangle. Now, we have things called Pythagorean triples, which are kind of like triangles that we know the legs and hypotenuses of right away. One is 3, 4, 5. Another is 5, 12, 13. Another is 7, 24, 25. Another is 8, 15, 17. This means one side is 3, one leg is 4, and then the hypotenuse is 5. 4, 5, 12, 13, legs of 5 and 12, and a hypotenuse of 13. Now, every one of these Pythagorean triples, you can multiply it by any constant number, and it will still be a right triangle. Multiply 3, 4, 5 triangle by 2, you get a 6, 8, 10 triangle. Multiply 3, 4, 5 by 3, well, that'd be a 9, 12, 15. 4, 12, 16, 20. It will always be a right triangle. Here is a brief history. In Egypt, they had rope stretchers. After flooding of the Nile, they'd go back out and they'd try to use these ropes with 13 knots on them, and it divided them into 12 equal parts. One person would hold a knot, 1 and 13 together. The two others held the rope at knots 4 and 8. They'd stretch as tight. They'd make that 3, 4, 5 triangle. This is just a cool historical reference that your textbook noted.